Tools that need to be prepared before using: Wi-Fi router, camera, cell phone. If your Wi-Fi router is a dual mode of 2.4G and 5G, please select 2.4G mode. The camera does not support 5G Wi-Fi. Please use the supplied power adapter to power on the camera. After that, all indicators will light up. Wi-Fi connection is successful. Wi-Fi connection is abnormal. Restore the factory settings. If none of the above, please press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds and then release. The device can be restored to factory settings. Please make sure that the cell phone is connected to the 2.4G Wi-Fi signal and the ringtone is in the on mode. Log in to the App Store to download the software and search for LIZVIE Pro. Then download and install. During the installation process, you should agree to the relevant authorization to use the app. Click the plus button in the upper right corner. Select the first ad. Choose the model of the purchased equipment. You can use the default device name or customize the name you like. When the app jumps to a QR code scanning interface, please find the QR code label on the camera and scan it. If the device QR code label cannot be scanned, you can also choose to input it manually and enter a correct Wi-Fi password. Configuring the network. Remember to turn on the phone ringtone. The phone will emit radio sound waves. Camera and Wi-Fi router should be operated in the same room or within 5 meters. Wi-Fi configuration is successful.